Welcome now to lecture 4. This is about install VS Code on Windows and set the development environment for Python. So these are the steps in a nutshell. Go to https://code.visualstudio.com and download for Windows, run installer keeping the defaults. I'll do everything in a walkthrough and click install now. So I have specifically uninstalled on my machine also. So I will show you the complete process, and so we'll go to this website. So this is the official website of Visual Studio, code.visualstudio.com, and if I click on download for Windows, you can see it is straight away it is downloaded without doing me anything else. Okay, so this is the, I will just, from my downloads folder, it's already coming over here, and I accept the agreement, click on next, Visual Studio Code. Okay, so click next. If you would like to select a different folder, no, I'm happy with where it was going to be installed. So next. Okay, so these are the two checked checkboxes which I will let remain checked. These are the default ones. Register code as an editor for supported file types and add to path. This is environment path it is adding. So click on next and click on install, and it's going to install. Now installation successful. Completing the Visual Studio Code setup wizard. Launch Visual Studio Code. Click on finish to exit setup. Alright, so Visual Studio is all done. Now I would like to show you the extensions marketplace and which are the extensions that I need. Thank you for using GitHub Copilot. Your subscription has ended. You are currently logged in. Okay, that's fine. Let's dismiss. Okay, so this is the extension marketplace. 5 require restart. This is the extensions, and let me look for Python by Microsoft extension. So file link Python. This is Microsoft.com restart extension. So this was already remaining installed. I have not uninstalled it. So restart extension, because from a previous installation I had installed it. This is the most important extension. Extensions are just like, this is the Python ecosystem. Just like JavaScript has got its own ecosystem, Python has got its own ecosystem, and it is the extension marketplace and restart extension. So it's all done. I can either uninstall or disable, which I'm not going to do. And Pylance is also needed. So if you don't have Pylance, just look for Pylance, and then you have the install button will be there. In my case, it was already installed, so it was still carrying on. Now I will just dismiss again. So that's about it. So I've been successfully able to download and install Visual Studio Code and made it ready for our upcoming course on Python for .NET. Okay, and we'll be soon writing our first Python script. Thank you again.